Okay, tonight I'm gonna make fried plantains, but what I'm gonna make are the green ones, which are really delicious. I know everybody likes the sweet plantain, but these are the green plantains, and they come out crunchy and really good. And the way I'm gonna make them, I'm gonna put some garlic on them, so it gives it an extra little taste that it's delicious. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wash the plantain and I'm gonna cut it. Okay. Okay, I cut it like that. Just a little cut. And then I peel it. I already put the oil in the pan. It's like a medium-sized pan, and I put canola oil. The best one to put is the vegetable oil. I've never tried it with canola oil, but we're gonna try it and see how it comes. It shouldn't make a difference. So now we cut it in little chunks. And we put it in the fryer. Well, we put it in the pan. I don't put too much oil in them. It doesn't matter because I turn them anyway. I think I'm gonna do two. I think I'm gonna do another. Okay, so now they're going. I put them in there like this. The little chunks of banana. So now they're really going. So I put the chunks in there with oil still cold, and I turn on the heat. I put it in high. So now in a little bit I'm gonna go ahead and turn them. I put 2 bananas or plantains, whatever you want to call them. I keep moving them so they don't get stuck to the bottom. So we leave them there for a few minutes. Okay, so now I'm giving it a little quick turn, and they feel like crunchy on the top already, but I'm just gonna give it one more turn. And that's good. They should be kind of crunchy on top. I'm going to lower the heat to medium so they don't burn. Okay, so now I'm going to leave the heat in medium, and I'm going to take them out, put them in a big plate. Okay, so the heat is in medium. Now I'm going to take them out real quick here, put them in a big plate. tastes so good. Okay, now I'm gonna get a little bit of water. A little bit of water here and garlic powder. And put some garlic powder in the water. I take a couple of paper towels, fold them up like in 4. And get one of these babies and mash them. Don't mash them too much. Okay, and then before I put them back in the pan, I put them through the water with the water with the garlic. Don't forget to turn them.
Prepare some of these breads with garlic and butter.
I know. Yeah. I'm making plátano maduro, plátano verde. So this one you can take down. This looks so good. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna mash them. Don't mash them too much. Put them through the garlic water and just put them back in the pan very carefully. As you put one in, you turn the other one. I think that's the best way to do it. Okay, so I'm gonna finish them all up and then we'll come back. Here they are, all of them fried. So now we're gonna add some salt. What I have is sea salt, and that's what we're gonna put. They taste good without the salt too, but I mean, it's a tradition to put the salt on them. And it's usually regular salt, not sea salt. Okay, so now I'm gonna have Ivan try it. And see what he thinks. Really, really good. This
Put the garlic in it?
yeah, it's water with garlic powder, and I dip them in before the last fry. So these are the little pieces that I like, the ones that fall off.
Super crunchy.
Delicious.
Excellent tostones.